Hey, what's up guys? Jake here with Success Motors. I have a walk around video for you today. As you can see behind me guys, I have the Ford Excursion that many of you guys are looking for. Guys, this is a very nice Ford Excursion. It's a 2005, it's the last year of them. Guys, this thing is fully bulletproof. It's got captain's chairs, it's the right color, it's a one owner, it's no rust. Guys, this is a very nice Ford Excursion. Now watch this video in its entirety, especially if you're interested in buying this Ford Excursion. I'm gonna try to detail the history, the condition, everything that I know about it. That way you can make a wise, educated purchasing decision. Now I film these videos, this one will probably be 20 minutes long. I'll drive it, I'll show under it, I'll show in it, all that, so that if you're out of state or even just out of College Station, you'll know whether it's worth your time to come down to College Station and buy this thing, or if you'd like to, we can actually deliver this thing to you anywhere in the lower 48 states, and it's very easy to do that as well. I do always recommend come to College Station, put your hands on the vehicle, have a mechanic come look at it, do whatever you want to feel comfortable, but I'm gonna do my very best to show you this thing and teach you all about it. So guys, this is a 2005 Ford Excursion Limited 6-liter Powerstroke diesel, 4-wheel drive, clean title, no rust, and fully bulletproof. Guys, I mean, this thing has about $20,000 worth of engine modifications to maintain its reliability. I'll show you a list here in a second. You can actually look in the description of the video below. But guys, this thing does have the ARP head studs. It's got the upgraded bulletproof diesel EGR cooler. Guys, this thing is an absolute unit of a rig. Very nice, very clean. It only has 168,000 miles on it. And like I said, guys, this is a true one owner. Spent its entire life in South Carolina. In fact, I'm gonna run through the list of stuff that's been done to it. I'm reading it off of my phone because it's a long list while I just kind of walk around the rig. But guys, it does have ARP head studs and gasket kit. It does have the bulletproof diesel oil cooler. It does have the Banks full exhaust system. It has the Power Max upgraded turbo. It has upgraded injectors. It does have the EGR delete. It has a rebuilt Ford transmission at 100,000 miles. That was done at Ford. Redhead steering box, Bilstein shocks with Hellwig sway bars. Has the Banks and SLT tuner modules. It has upgraded brake kit with pads, rotors, and spindles. Guys, this thing has high capacity coolant filtration system, upgraded fan and fan clutch, aftermarket ranchero steering dampener. It's got the towing mirrors. It's got the upgraded running boards. It has an upgraded intercooler and piping. It has S&B cold air intake. The air conditioning system was completely overhauled. It has front and rear aluminum differential covers. It has LED it has the upgraded headlights. It has an LED light bar, trailer brake controller. All the speakers, amplifier, and head unit are all new. And it does have window tinting throughout. So again, guys, this thing, I can't wait to show you under the hood. You guys are gonna geek out. This thing looks exceptional under the hood. But let me go ahead and I guess get and show you the inside again. This is a rust-free unit, guys. This thing lived in South Carolina its entire life. It's a limited. It's got your memory seats, all your power windows and power locks, and it's got your power mirrors, of course. It's got heated seats and power seats. That does work. And again, guys, this thing is rust-free. And check this out. Very clean up underneath here. Original rockers, no rust. And I don't know if you can see that, but the oil pan, the rear main, all that stuff is extremely dry, guys. This thing's been parked on a concrete floor, and I haven't seen it leak anything. Of course, it's an 05, so it gets you the black steering wheel and the black steering column. You got all your buttons here on the steering wheel. This one does have the upgraded JVC head unit. It is 4-wheel drive, and it does have your trailer brake controller with an upgraded USB right there. And this one does have your adjustable pedals. You can see that guy does have one of the doodads is broken there, but that's pretty typical, pretty usual. And as you can see, guys, this one does have the captain's chairs. Driver's seat is in great condition. I believe this to be the original material, limited, great condition. Looks nice. It's had a little bit of a tear in the seat or something that was repaired at some point, but all looks good right there right now. It does have Husky floor liners throughout. Again, all your door panels are clean, and you can even see these speakers. All the door speakers have been replaced. Again, you got no rust hiding anywhere in this rig. And then you got your second row captain's or bucket seats, which everybody's looking for, guys. Or maybe not everybody, some people prefer the bench, but they're definitely harder to find with the buckets. It does have your TV. Of course, I don't know if that works. I never checked that, but it does have the rear entertainment center. And it doesn't look like those buttons were ever really pushed. Husky floor liners throughout, even in that third row. Different vantage point of the front. Guys, this is a really clean, really nice, fully bulletproofed, 168,000 mile rig. Watch this thing until the end because you're going to want to see under the hood. All your barn doors open up. You got your spare tire carrier. You got your third row seat, of course. You got your floor liner and whatnot. Everything looks pretty good back here. One thing worth noting, for some reason this trim piece was taken out and not put back. Not a huge deal. You could probably find one of these at a junkyard or something, but just missing the little trim piece that goes there. It's probably a $20 plastic piece from a junkyard. But both barn doors open and close. Coming around passenger side, again, original rockers, no rust. If you have any questions about this rig, call me 979-202-1948. If you've been in the market for a 2005 Excursion or 6.0, guys, this might be the one you've been looking for. In fact, I've already got 2 people interested in it, so I think it's going to go pretty quick. So if you're interested, call me immediately. No rust hiding anywhere. See those door speakers in there. Power seats work. Again, I think this is the original material on these seats. They look great. Center console. Oh, this one does have a center console vault, which is cool. I believe I have the code for that. So it's got the center console vault. That's kind of cool to hide whatever you want to hide in there. Got your original owner's manual in there. Of course, no cracks in the dash, no cracks in the windshield, and headliner looks good. Super nice rig. All right, let's do the exterior tour, and then we'll do the engine bay tour. So this is the color, guys. So this is the 05, right? So it's got the upgraded grille and the cool front end, or just the cool 05 front end. And this is, I want to say, like a metallic gold. I forget what they exactly call this color, but it's a very popular, very clean looking color. It's very nice. And the exterior of this thing is in really tip-top shape. All the tires are on the newer side. In fact, they've got great tread depth left on there. These are a 285/75 R16. Looks like it's a Continental brand all-terrain tire. You can see just everything looks good in there. You can see the Bilstein shock. Front end paint is immaculate. You got your aftermarket tow mirrors. Paint is very shiny and reflective. I don't believe there's any paint issues on this rig. No clear coat issues. No oxidation. Got a rock chip right there. Cladding all looks good. Again, stay tuned. I'll show you under the hood and we'll drive it. Fully bulletproof, 6.0, 05, low miles, clean title, no rust. Guys, this is it. This is the rig. See no rust in there, and all these tires are matching. So I'm saying, guys, that side here, this passenger side, is very nice. Maybe a rock chip or two, but the paint, everything looks really, really nice. Coming around back here, even your wiper blade arm looks good. I guess this thing was probably stored inside. It does have a tow package. It's got your parking sensors in the rear. Limited. Looks good back there. Coming around driver's side. A bunch of the same. Not seeing any major flaws to show you guys. All the tires, again, are the same. Makes it really, really sharp. Hard to find them like this, guys. Hard to find with this low of miles, hard to find with no rust, hard to find already bulletproofed, and hard to find in the condition that this one is in. Coming around front, grill looks good, bumper looks good, and then your hood looks really good as well. All right, let me pop the hood on this thing. I just want to show you what it looks like. Guys, this is the shining star of this Excursion, is the motor work that's been done to it. I'll just show you down here too. You can see it's got the bulletproof diesel oil cooler. All right, check this thing out, guys. This is some eye candy. So it's got your bypass coolant filter. This one does have your ARP head studs. Hard to see down there because of a light, but does have your ARP head studs right there. It's got your, you can tell it's got your aftermarket turbo. It's got your different piping and whatnot. It's got your S&B filters, I guess, whatever this guy is called. And you got your intake there. Just super clean engine bay, guys. Almost looks like, I said that's either the Hydro Boost or the steering pump. I don't remember which one. I think it's the Hydro Boost. Looks like it's newer. All the lines look good. Guys, this is a clean engine bay, clean underside, and it looks great. All right, let's hop inside. I'm gonna start this rig up. Show you that all the electronics and everything work. All right. It has not been driven today. It's just been started to pull out of the garage. Has not been driven. That was a cold start. Started right up, 167.5 miles. You can see the temperature gauge down there way towards the bottom. All right, let's see here. AC is blowing cold right now. You can see it's got the JVC head unit, which does work. You've got your trailer brake controller. Air conditioner is blowing cold right now. Front and rear AC blowing cold. Let's see here. Window works. Window. 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 Locks. Mirror. Mirror. And of course this seat already works. Power adjustable pedals. Beautiful. All right, let's look under the hood here. Sounds healthy and strong. No blow by on this rig. Absolutely just vibrating is all. Sounds great, no weird smells or sounds, no smoke. All right, 2005 Ford Excursion Limited 6-liter Powerstroke diesel, 4-wheel drive. Guys, 168,000 miles, clean title, no rust, one owner, excellent condition inside and out. $20,000 worth of motor work done to it, ARP head studs, all the things done, guys. This is a really nice top-tier Ford Excursion. Now, it's got one blemish on the Carfax. It's got a minor incident that happened in 2024, and I actually have pictures of the vehicle from this accident. The owner's son was driving it, and I believe he got rear-ended and then hit, I want to say, a guardrail, or it was like a bumped the front guy, bumped the back guy, and it dented the rear bumper and it dented the front bumper. Now, the blemish or the bummer is on Carfax. For some reason, it shows that the airbags deployed. But this guy was adamant that the airbags did not deploy, and it was the airbags in the car that hit him that deployed, and it just got accidentally put on Carfax like that. So it does show up on the Carfax. I want to be transparent about it. You can see it for yourself. I think it shows minor to moderate, but again, I've got pictures detailing. I have pictures of the vehicle before it was fixed, and basically it's just a dent in the front bumper and a dent in the rear bumper. So in my opinion, not a big deal. Definitely doesn't take away from the Excursion and the quality that it is, but I like to be transparent and let you guys know that is on the Carfax. Still has a clean title, 100%, and basically just a little bummer there on the Carfax. All right, let's rock and roll. Shift lever feels perfect. That was zero slack, felt like it's supposed to. Steering feels good. I can hear that turbo whistling already. Hard to beat the sound of a 6-liter Powerstroke diesel sound. Woo, you can hear that. I don't know if you can hear that from in here. But that turbo is hissing, guys. I don't know if you can hear that in here or not. Sounds incredible. First shift, again, rebuilt Ford transmission at 100,000 miles. First 2 shifts were excellent. Third shift, excellent. Throttle response feels great. Steering feels tight. $55 miles an hour, 1,600 RPMs. AC's blowing ice cold. No weird creaks or squeaks, no weird sounds in here, no weird smells in here. And then again, you can see I'm holding the steering wheel with one hand. Steering is super tight, feels great. Bilstein shock, steering dampener, and then the Hellwig sway bars. And then the new Redhead steering box has this thing steering tight, guys. No check engine lights, no ABS lights, no none of that. All the gauges are coming up to temp. Fuel gauge is working. Exceptional ride quality. Feels great. We'll keep the video going for a few more moments like usual. We'll pull into this church parking lot. On the brakes, they feel good. I don't think I showed you, but this thing does have slotted and drilled brake rotors. I don't think I showed you behind the wheels. It does have slotted and drilled brake rotors. That motor sounds so healthy and so nice, feels excellent. Well, there you guys have it. I think this is your opportunity to own a fully built 6-liter Powerstroke diesel Ford Excursion. Again, low miles, no rust, clean title. Really the only thing you could knock it for, I think, is it was missing the trim piece back there. And then it's got the blemish on the Carfax report, which again maintains a clean title, and the airbags did not deploy. And again, I've got pictures of the vehicle before it was fixed. But otherwise, guys, there's a lot of shining bright stars about this Ford Excursion. I think it would make you really happy. I think it would be a great family car. So if you guys have any questions about it, give me a call, 979-202-1948. As always, God bless you, and I'll talk to you really soon.